and your career this, you inner this, you eat out of this. Where they have other programs, so them up and bad mind the thing and scrape for yourself. It a deteriorate. Man now go road go look no side for a bad up.
There were
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great. Countryman, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Yo, me I go right in at this. When I just hear Mama Christie on the recording where the gangster informer witness record. When you hear how the lady a sound, alright. Me have the rest of the recording. And me I play the rest of the recording. And then after me play the rest of the recording, and Mama Christie, I am gonna come and me I give my opinion. And then me I go play the news clip. This, I don't want to stay tuned to this. Let's go.
Remember saying me as a woman, I'm not afraid for going away. Remember saying me a second in command to Jana Brown. I'm not just squeeze eye, but it's a boy who work. And the important thing is we need a driver. And him carry me go places hours a night and pick me up, man, and drop me off, man. And him coulda do me things and him never do that. Cooks where they say you are one and already, you know. Cause the people them they left them in charge and them the people that now look for come back here, so. To the lawyer dead, them they want to take the place, put them daughter in night.
And people place them want. Hear me say no? Make them know say somebody a go call them and make them know what time it is. Them can't use them style upon way. Get the number and make we chat to them. As the man them need somewhere said way. Cause from me call them and tell them say Lucifer, I show me on a wing now. I bullies him thing with that pan right now.
Now, when you hear that recording there, that Mama Christie, I talk to City Puss and Black Man. And City Puss, him go by the name of Lucifer. You hear me say him now no wings. Wings, I guess it refer to phone or maybe car. You understand? The news media say the gangster in the code say a phone, but it looked like a car. But you hear she talk about the people them, and you hear she say boy, a she underneath Black Man. Yo, me no know how she go get out of this. Me no know how Black Man them go get out of this. But the Jamaican police do a good job on this. Listen, if you like what I'm doing, watch the end of this, cause I play the news clip right now. And click on another video and like, share and subscribe and tell your friend them about it. Jamaica first, country first, and countryman. Yo, country girl, rebel, all of the man them. Nuclear, with a big up. Trading boss, truck boss, with a big up. Let's go.
ONEDON gang tape reveals intimidation, extortion, recruitment tactics. A secretly recorded conversation among alleged gangsters, revealed in the Klansman gang trial yesterday, that the alleged gangsters would use violent intimidation to take control over construction activities in communities in Spanish Town. It featured a conversation with the self-confessed former gangster, now prosecution star witness, Mama, the sole female accused, Stephanie Christie, and a man called City Puss. The expletive-laced conversation lasted for more than an hour and is said to have been recorded on April 23, 2019, when alleged gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan was behind bars. There were chuckles in the courtroom, as the prosecution quoted aspects of the expletive-laden conversation when posing questions to the witness. The witness explained that City Puss was outlining plans to rid the gang of the older members and train youngsters to become killers. He also explained that the City Puss was concerned that the gang was deteriorating because individual members were trying to form their own gangs. He says the alleged gang member captured on the recording was concerned that not enough gangsters were finding additional sources of income for the gang to exploit. According to the witness, the gang operated on a system where a don for an area would determine who gets hired when persons from that area were doing construction development. He says the don would go to the homeowner and inform them they are to only hire 2 persons and the don will hire the rest. In the recording, Mama explains her rank among the alleged gangsters and spoke of the gang's effort to recruit new talent. The witness explained to the court that City Puss would use the name Lucifer when he approached people for extortion money.